In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add and remove the flashlight icon from the control center of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. So let's get started. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just tap and hold on the empty space to open the edit mode. Now, if you want to remove the flashlight icon, just tap on the minus icon on the flashlight icon. And by doing that, you will remove the flashlight icon from your control center. Now to save the changes, just tap on the empty space and you will remove the icon from your control center. Now, if you want to add the flashlight icon to your control center, just tap and hold on the empty space on your control center, then tap on Add a Control. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just tap on Torch. And once you do that, you will add the torch or the flashlight icon to your control center. And from here, you can resize the torch icon as you like by dragging this flashlight icon from the bottom corner over here. And once you're satisfied with the style of your torch icon, just tap on the empty space on your control center to save the changes. And as you can see, we have successfully added the torch icon in our control center. Just like that. And this is how you can add and remove the flashlight icon from your control center on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.